Hello and welcome to someone, should I say, is timeless and eternal for all of us.
Hi, Pooja. It's lovely being here with you. And hello to everyone. I hope you're all at home and safe.
Well, I'm glad we are talking again. I've asked all your fans, and whenever I say Bhagyashree, everybody's like, she's the eternal star. So, what would you say to that?
I think मेरी खुशनसीबी है कि सब लोगों ने आज तक मुझे अपने दिलों में रखा है. And I'm happy that I'm getting back to work so I can continue remaining in their hearts.
तो आपके एक फैन ने मुझे कंप्लेन की है, उनसे पूछो कि मैंने प्यार किया के बाद इतनी कम फिल्में क्यों की?
क्योंकि मैंने प्यार किया. Actually priorities थी उस वक्त बहुत छोटी थी मैं and I couldn't handle the home and career everything together, so I had to prioritize my life and I chose family over career. पर अब बच्चे भी बड़े हो गए हैं and I'm rearing to get back to work.
But the thing is, despite that break that you took, you've been welcomed like no one else.
Like I said, blessings from the God above, and because of all the love of all the people who are watching this, it's only thanks to them.
You started rather young. As I told you last time when we spoke, I've seen Kachchi Dhoop. I belong to that generation. I mean, there's not much of an age difference between the two of us. Then you did Maine Pyar Kiya. Was it something you always wanted to act? And then, of course, you got married and became a homemaker and, everything.
For me, acting was something I stumbled upon. So when I did Kachchi Dhoop, Amol uncle was my neighbor, and the girl that he had chosen to play the role ran off with her boyfriend just the night before. So he came around 9 o'clock at night and he said, Bhagyashree, can you please help me out? Us zamane mein set nahi laga karte the. And there was this huge set put up for Kachchi Dhoop. And he said, Mera bahut zyada nuksan ho jayega. And I just went there to help him. That's about it. I had got no idea on how to act. मतलब स्टेज फ्राइट तो इतनी थी कि स्कूल में मैं सिर्फ पेड़ बन सकती थी. Nothing more than that. But that's how Kachchi Dhoop started, and I was a good student. और मेरी इच्छा थी कि मैं परदेश जाके पढ़ूं, अमेरिका जाऊं और पढ़ूं. तब मैंने प्यार किया का ऑफर आया, and well, rest is history.
I imagine
so it was I think only while doing Maine Pyar Kiya was when I said, this is what I love doing. I mean, I was all of 18. So I guess I was still discovering what I really like to do.
And when you were making Maine Pyar Kiya, both you and Salman were extremely new. Did you realize that this would be one of the cult films of the Hindi film industry, of the Indian film industry? It's still running. It's still playing.
I think during Maine Pyar Kiya, we weren't really thinking of what its end result would be. I think all of us, whether it was me, Salman, Suraj ji, for all of us, it was one of our first. और सबकी बस इतनी इच्छा थी that we put up our best, we work hard for it, and that was it. We were just enjoying working hard for it. I don't think any one of us thought that it would reach such unprecedented heights.
तो आपके एक फैन ने मुझे लिखा है कि पूछो अगर अभिमन्यु was to do a मैंने प्यार किया in this time, उसने तो पिक्चर किया मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता. What would the movie be called? What would the narrative be if people like Abhimanyu did a मैंने प्यार किया in this day and age?
Well, you ask this to Abhimanyu and he says cult films are not to be touched. That's what he feels. He's saying something that is so beautiful gets made once, and one shouldn't try and meddle with it and do it again. Because it'll always be compared to the first and it'll always fall short of what it is. Like I would feel that about, films like Mughal-e-Azam or Sholay. I mean, people did try and make Sholay again, but you don't have that connect. Sholay is Sholay. It's like an encyclopedia on filmmaking. So, that's how films are supposed to be. They're just supposed to be left. I mean, classics don't get touched again.
अगर मैंने प्यार किया आज बनती इंस्टेड ऑफ कबूतर जा 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 होता, मेरा व्हाट्सएप मिला क्या नहीं, मेरा इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट देखा क्या नहीं.
I think the whole idea of communication has changed so much अभी कि वो जो नहीं मिलने वाली बात थी ना, जिसके वजह से कशिश और बढ़ती थी. The feeling that you couldn't meet at that point of time is what made the love stronger, bond stronger, when you had that feeling of want to meet the other person. Today, all that is all lacking. One WhatsApp, one FaceTime, like we're talking across oceans apart, and you don't feel that you're really apart because you can see the other person's face. So I think वो कशिश निकल गई है प्यार से.
It is true. अब एक फैन ने ये पूछा था, what was Salman like on the set? Is he anything like what he is today? कि कुछ difference था क्या?
I haven't met Salman recently, so I don't know in what comparison they are talking, but I can tell you what Salman was on the set. He was extremely protective about me, and a very, very lovely, fun-loving person. I mean, most of Maine Pyar Kiya's dialogues have happened basically on set. Like the dialogue that got really famous was Hota Hai was usually, Salman would be playing a prank on me and I would be trying to hit him. And that's what happened on the set, where he did some masti and he was running away and he fell down while doing that masti. So I started laughing and I said, Hota hai. And he was there and he was like, Bas yahi kaho. This is what I want in my shot. So lots of dialogues in Maine Pyar Kiya happened like that. So it was basically a lot of firsts for all of us and a different kind of bonding because I think all of us were nervous inside, and that nervous energy came out on set to make something very beautiful.
और समर एक और डायलॉग है ना जो हर फिल्म में आज तक यूज होता है, एक लड़का और लड़की दोस्त नहीं हो सकते. Date it's used.
Well, आजकल जो जमाना है उसमें तो बहुत सारी दोस्तियां ऐसी होती है, बट हाँ उस टाइम वो डायलॉग वैसे सही था. बट आई थिंक जहां तक प्यार का सवाल है, I think it's a beautiful thing if you fall in love with your best friend. So if friendship can graduate into love, I think it's wonderful.
And that's exactly what happened between you and Mr. Dasani, right?
Yeah.
और आपका सबसे फेवरेट सीन या डायलॉग क्या था मैंने प्यार किया से? ये एक और फैन ने पूछा.
I think during the shooting of Dil Deewana Bin Sajna Ke, Suraj ji, myself and Salman really connected very well because all of us were away from the hustle bustle of Bombay and we were shooting in Ooty. And when you're spending so much time together, when you're talking personal conversations and getting to know the other person. So I would say the entire shoot of Dil Deewana, which was in Ooty, that was like my most favorite part of the shoot.
और एक और सवाल आया जो मैं भी आपके पोस्ट पे देख रही हूँ, is the cooking. Were you always such a good cook, or it's something after you got married, became a mom, or was it inherent in you? The lovely dishes.
Well, my father, I learned cooking through my father.
Wow.
Yes, my father used to cook as a stress buster. He would make the most exotic dishes. So jab meri shaadi hui, so I knew how to make the entire Chinese cuisine. I knew how to bake have baked dishes and stuff like that. पर दाल को तड़का कैसे लगता है या चाय कैसे बनती है या दही कैसे जमाता है वो मुझे नहीं आता था. So that I learned from my mom-in-law because I would go and help my dad making all the fancy food. But the basic घर का खाना I didn't know. So I think that's what my mother-in-law taught me. But yeah, I mean, after that, I've been cooking for my family non-stop. It's been 30 years now. So I learned the entire Marwari cuisine because that's what my husband likes. So, yes.
I mean, quite the chef. और आपका वो cheese naan मैं देख रही थी recipe cheese naan का छोले बन रहे थे. आप सब खाती हैं क्या? Or do you eat little? या सबको आप खिलाते हो?
Well, there's always a combination, and you have to enjoy everything in moderation. मैं ये सोचती हूँ कि जो किसी चीज का परहेज करते हैं लोग, they don't realize, because I've learned nutrition, I will tell you, कि जब आप सोचते हो तब आपके पेट की juices already शुरू हो जाते हैं, because that's how your brain is connected to your stomach. तो अगर आप नहीं खाओ तो acid already आपके पेट में शुरू हुआ है. It's just about eating in moderation or not thinking about food at all. तब जाके होता है कि अच्छा, things that you don't like, it doesn't come into your mouth doesn't water. The whole idea about having your mouth water is your body telling you that this is what I want to eat.
Wow.
So you have to understand what your body wants and you have to give it to it. So that's the only way that, you kind of remain healthy. Like they say, you should be able to savor the taste. मैं ये सोचती हूँ कि instead of minusing things from what you're eating, when you put the first morsel in your mouth is when you should savor its taste and understand it while it's going inside. So you're giving that importance to the food that you're eating, and you're also जैसे अपने दिमाग को और पेट को आप शांत कर रहे हो कि भैया आपको मिल गया ना, अब शांत बैठिए, do not be too greedy, so you can have a little and stop.
Awesome. So you've done a course in nutrition, and have you also done like your workouts are, I mean, you make them look so easy कि वो होता नहीं है. Normal लोगों से नहीं होता कि वो plank हो रहा है, dead bug हो रहा है, lateral squats हो रहे हैं. It's just like effortless. So you've done a course.
I will tell you that it's all a process. So if people think that it can happen overnight, it won't. I had a very bad health scare a couple of years ago where I couldn't move my right hand at all. Okay. So considering that, I've come a very long way पिछले 3.5 सालों में. So about 4 years ago, I just woke up one morning to not being able to move my hand at all. So I was so afraid at that point of time when the doctors told me, और मुंबई के सारे doctors के पास मैं चली गई थी. I did a MRI, X-rays and everything. And they just listed a multiple of problems to me and said I will have to operate. So उससे बहुत डर लगता था मुझे, operation basically. So I went on Google and I searched, and what they showed of the operation scared me even more. So I decided to self-heal myself holistically. And that's when I studied nutrition and fitness. So so my whole process of learning has been like that. And there is a sense of understanding your body, which I think every individual should have. And I have a program which I want to, and I connect with people and help them overcome their problems. So people actually email me on my for my program, and then we take it forward.
Wow, and no wonder you look so amazing. So घर में मैंने देखा पूरी family workout कर रही होती है. Your daughter, your son, and you. And poor, your husband is like, okay, चलो मैं भी कर लेता हूँ. Let's make it up.
That's what we made him do during the quarantine.
What thing? But also your son's debut, Mard Ko Dard Nahi Hota. I met him, I interviewed him. Rave reviews, fabulous. Now he has another film coming. So tell us, when he decided he wanted to become an actor, were you hesitant or you were like, chalo, jao, beta, acting kar lo?
Well, initially, when he actually came up to me, he was still studying at that point of time. And at that point of time, I felt, and I still feel, that education widens your horizons. So there's no way that I would have allowed him to give up on his education. I mean, I studied, even when I was doing Maine Pyar Kiya, I was attending my college. So I said, bhai, pehle tum college khatam karo, degree lo, uske baad jo karna hai wo kar. So yes, and he was brilliant at his studies. So he got himself a degree in finance. And after that, he came and said, Mom, I still want to do it. I said, Acha, to phir theek hai. Of course, as every parent and every person knows, that this world of glamour is just on the outside, but a lot of hard work, lots of perseverance is required, patience is required, and you have to follow it through once you start it. The same people that can put you to heights are the people that can bring you down. So you have to be ready for brickbats, and as you get public fame, You also get public trolling now in today's world. So mentally and emotionally, you have to be very strong. So I think as a mother, I was a little skeptical initially, but still, भाई सब लोग अपने अपने नसीब लिखे हुए आते हैं. So yeah, then as parents, we give them their blessing, our blessings, and say, go ahead and make your life.
Which is so awesome. But what is the one difference that you see now? He is in this time where it's very competitive. They perpetually have to be, kabhi airport look hai, kabhi gym look hai. They have to be on social media. You were at a time when there was a
yes.
One
so fortunately, Abhimanyu doesn't let the social media or he doesn't try and work to what the social media expects him to do. He's always said that what lasts the longest is something that you can be consistent with and something that's very classic. So if you try and work only with trends and with fashion, there'll be another person to replace you very soon. But it's what you do, whether it's your clothes, whether it's how you behave, what kind of films you do, it should be something that's classic and everlasting. People should want to go back to seeing you again. So that's what he believes in, which is good. So that gives a little less of heartache then, I guess.
A lot to do with your upbringing also. But you yourself have done the Hindi film industry and down south also. So किसी ने पूछा है कोई difference है? Which one do you think is far more disciplined?
At the time that I shifted to doing films down south, there weren't so many good scripts for women characters that were happening here in Bollywood, so to say, which trend is now changing. So you have different mediums. You have the web series, television, you have short films, and you have, of course, the big blockbusters. But there are a lot of characters that are being written for women now, which wasn't there earlier at that point of time. Which in South, they give a lot of importance to defining each character with great detail. And those are the films that I really enjoyed.
Zara from Lahore she's a big Prabhas fan and apparently runs the only Prabhas fan club in Pakistan. She is very curious to know कि आपको इतनी मिठाई उन्होंने दी थी, तो आपने कुछ उनको टोकन दिया और वो सेट पर कैसे हैं? How was the mahal on the set? How much have you shot?
He's extremely grounded and really very simple, and it was very heartening, and it was a pleasure for me to come to know when he came on set and he wished me good morning and he said, "Ma'am, I'm such a big fan of your film." And I said, "Well, I am too of your film." So we kind of bonded on that. But I think what he did was, mithai was a token, but he wanted to show the Hyderabad hospitality, which is there. And since I was back on sets after a very, very long time, it was more of a welcome. And it felt good that everyone on set, including the director, Pooja, Prabhas, were excited to have me. And so it was a very, very pleasurable feeling for me to be on set with him.
So how much have you shot and what more can we look forward to? Because now we are talking to you, want to see more of you.
Well, something other than this film is going to start very, very soon and it will be announced tomorrow. So you will have to wait.
Wow. Also, as parents, who's the stricter parent? You are the good cop or the bad cop, or is your husband?
I am a strict mom. I'm a strict mom,
really?
But a friendly one.
You don't look like a strict mom. You look like the most chilled out mother.
Well, it depends on kya baat hai. Like, chilled out in the sense that children can come and talk to me about anything and everything. But they know what the ground rules are. And I will not tolerate, little things like disrespect goes out of the window. You cannot disrespect anyone who's a teacher, your elders, people around you, your staff. You have to make sure that you talk properly. So I think it's basic manners that I'm very, I'm a I stick to discipline. Let me put it that way.
And also, there was a nice post of yours and Sanjay Kapoor saying, now, together, and now our kids are making that thing in films,
Right.
So, but
so Sanjay's daughter is also getting into films now. And when we did that film together and we started talking, and I said, oh my God, he was supposed to do Maine Pyar Kiya. And he was talking about that. And he said, you know what? I was supposed to do it. And then I decided to do Prem instead. And then after that, I've always thought, agar maine kiya hota to.
Exactly. He should have been the Prem in Maine Pyar Kiya. वही तो वो अगर बगर में. But during the time when you decided no more films, and it takes a lot of courage because आजकल जब लोग break लेते हैं ना, उनको FOMO होता है. Did you ever miss it, or were you just very happy that you had transitioned to the other phase in your life?
Let me say this way, that every time you saw good work, be it of an actor or a director or a film, you always feel that feeling inside you ki, oh, I wish I could have done it. So that definitely is that we are all human. लेकिन मैं ये सोचती हूँ कि when you take a decision, at that point of time, that's the right decision for you. And when you start walking towards the path, you shouldn't look behind, वरना गिर जाओगे. So you need to be focused on where you're walking. और आज देखिए, after everything that's done, and I've finished that, I am gearing to be back on the sets, still in so many people's hearts. And I'm looking forward to this new phase where I can actually enjoy doing good work because there's so many good scripts being written right now. Yeah.
And is your husband aware that you broke so many hearts soon after when you married him? Is he aware?
Oh, yeah. मतलब जितनी गालियां इन्होंने खाई हैं, बेचारे कुछ नहीं किया. तो भी.
I still remember that when you announced
to date when anyone meets him, that's the first thing that they say.
What thing? Did you watch it and what was his reaction? And when now the movie comes, how does your family react? Do they look at you like, Mom, you did that?
You know what? Surprisingly, I haven't seen Maine Pyar Kiya. The amount of times that my fans keep writing to me or even on Instagram कि हम लोगों ने इतनी बार देखी है. I haven't seen it those many times, But I think I look at myself very critically. Like, I look at that and say, अरे मेरा नाक तो देखो. Dance at that time, the steps that were there, I think in a recent interview Salman said, I mean, can you imagine who dances like that? So they had that kabutar wala step, which was like when we started learning it, and I'm like, how do you move like that? So that makes me laugh right now, but I still feel Maine Pyar Kiya was a story of love, so simply said and so simply put, and that's what people connect with. कि कोई भी किरदार आप पकड़ो, उसके साथ आप जुड़ जाते हैं. So that's what makes it a cult film, and it makes it something that every person feels for even today.
And anyways, how has the lockdown been treating you? I think हम लोग 60th day approach कर रहे हैं. So how is it?
नहीं, lockdown तो बहुत अच्छा है because Abhimanyu had been shooting non-stop for the last 5-6 months, so I barely got to see him. I was traveling a lot myself, so I was shooting for Prabhas and the other film that will be announced tomorrow, but I was shooting for it already. We've just been traveling so much that it's nice to have everyone at home. बहुत सारे games खेलते हैं हम लोग, हंसी मजाक करते हैं, खाना वाना बनाते हैं, and basically getting time with one another. My in-laws are more than happy to have the entire family with them. So it's good. मतलब हम लोगों को ऐसे लगता है कि even after the lockdown is open, I think in a month, if we can just press the pause button, even if it's for 2 days in a month, even later, it would be such a huge blessing environmentally it would be a blessing to have everyone at home and be able to recuperate, kind of connect with one another. It should be mandatory to have that pause button for the entire nation. So I personally feel that it would make a lot of difference.
I so agree with you. Thank you so much for speaking to us. And so speaking to good time, what's the idea of a good time?
What's the idea of a good time? Good time is my family together, me traveling. I love to travel, so I'm really looking forward to getting wings on my feet again.
Anyways, hopefully it should happen soon. Thank you so much, man. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Pooja. Been a pleasure.